Well, yes, I remember this account password. You may thinking that suddenly I vanished from YouTube, no videos, no uploads, suddenly I just like gone. So the reality is a little different. From last 4 weeks I was pretty in a bad situation. I was very sick, not able to walk, talk, not able to do anything. So I was completely detached from YouTube, but right now I'm completely recovered. So yes, the new video is coming tomorrow. This is an update video, so please subscribe and please do not forget me and forgive me for this long gap. But yes, new videos are coming up soon, and also I am not planning for only Unreal Engine videos. In future I'll be uploading so many new content with new softwares, like new soft like Embergen, any other thing. So if you have anything in your mind, please comment down below. This is World of VFX channel and I'm going to upload new videos in this new year. So please go and watch the channel, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for tomorrow because new video will be releasing tomorrow. See you soon. Bye.